Well guys, welcome to the Blukar, one of the best little things I've bought in a while. This thing is just fantastic. Got to say, this is one of the best things that I have bought lately. I bought it specifically for our trip to Botswana, which was really cool, especially at night because there are no fences. You like to know what's going along, what's coming along in fact. Maybe there's a lion or something in the area. It's really well made. It seems to be like aluminium. It's well done as well. It's obviously one of the zooming ones, which is rather cool. I don't know if you've been to Botswana, but there are no fences there. That's why I specifically bought this one, just to check at night if there are anything coming along, like maybe lions or something else. It's really cool. The only negative point that I found is the charging port cover doesn't stay on there very well. Flicks around a little bit, but it's USB charging, which is cool. There are no batteries in here, which is always a good thing. Zooms nicely. It's got a nice feel to it. Let's check the light value. Obviously that's zoomed out. You can zoom it in, which is really rather cool. It's got a couple of functions. It's got a strobe light, which is cool, and it's got the SOS function. It's got a little LED indicator as well of the state of battery charge, which I find rather handy as well. And it zooms really rather well. I took some night footage, which you can have a look at. I'll drop it in here. And yeah, I think this is a really, I'll tell you what, for the money, it is really good value. Brilliant little piece of kit. You can see it's been used a little bit. A couple of dinks and scratches. That means it is made of aluminium. Tell you what, the best thing you need, if you need a torch, it's tiny, it's compact, got a good amount of light. I'll show you the light in a second, and there you go. If you want to check this out, check it out on Amazon. There's a link below, and tell you what, you won't regret getting this little thing because it's really rather cool. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Catch you on the next one, and keep rolling.